Yo, what is good, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Jordan 4 Retro Metallic Purple. As you can see, I have it right there on StockX. But we do have it in person right here. Here we go. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And everybody like up this video. And before we unbox the shoes, I do have a sneaker giveaway happening when I hit 3,000 subscribers. I will be giving away an NMD R1 V2, this exact pair right here in hand. So if you want to go check that out, make sure to click the link in the description at the end of the video. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox this Jordan. Now, I've actually never done a Jordan on the channel, so this is going to be the first one, so we're just going to have to see how it goes. So if it does well, you know, we might get some more Jordans in and stuff like that, but I probably won't be wearing these. It won't be a personal pair, because I'm not really a Jordan guy. I like slim Adidas shoes, you know, and Jordans are just kind of bulky. So let's go ahead and see how I like this Jordan, and you know, maybe we'll put it on foot. I'm actually not sure what size we got, so we'll just have to see. Okay, so I know some of you guys wanted me to get the Ben & Jerry Chunky Dunkies and then the Travis Scott, what were they called? They're like the, I don't know, they're the new ones that just came out like a couple days ago, or last weekend, or this weekend actually, and I actually did not cop either one of those shoes, so kind of disappointing. And I'll try to get as many shoes for you guys on the channel as I can, but sometimes we just can't get the shoes that we want. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell that they are very heavy, and we have the Jordan right there in a metallic purple. Right there, you can see it shine. So it's a 9.5. I've never worn a Jordan, so I don't know if that's my size, and I don't know if the different like numbers of Jordans, the sizing is different, but I'm sure it is. Or let's just focus on one shoe right now, and then we'll bring both of them out and probably get them on feet. But right away, I can tell that they are very heavy. But also, it has some nice materials. Like, it seems well built and well made, actually. So that's pretty good. As you can see, we have the Jordan right there in purple on the bottom of the shoe, and right there on the tongue and on the back. All of this is in metallic purple, so that's pretty cool. Now we do have the air bubble right there on the 4s, and then we have like basically where the laces connect. It's like a little cage, and it actually is a little bit oily. So like instead of a metallic purple, like you can see purple, but it kind of has like that oily feel, you know? So yeah, the pull tab is very interesting. It's very thick. But yeah, it'll be interesting to try one of these on, since I've never actually like owned a Jordan or anything, but it seems like there's going to be a lot of padding. It's going to be a very warm shoe, I'm sure. Oh, and I just noticed there's like this cool like webbing or like cage type of thing right there. I think that's pretty cool. It kind of feels like rubbery. And then we have, I didn't notice this either, but we have Air Jordan right there on the tongue. You guys can see that. But I think we should go ahead and get these things on feet and just see what they look like. So before we do on foot or anything, I was just like messing around with the shoe, and I decided to smell it, and it smells like garbage. Like, they don't even smell good. Like, if you have like a brand new Adidas shoe, like this is brand new Ultra Boost, like it actually smells good. And like my stomach hurts now because I smelled this thing. Like, it shouldn't smell like that. I don't know if anybody's ever smelled a Jordan 4, but it does not smell good. Goodness gracious. Oh, I even hate Jordans even more now. And just like the weight comparison. Like, this is so light. This is just chunky and, ugh. I don't know, but, yeah, sorry, but let's go ahead and do the on foot, yeah. Okay, so there you guys go. That's an on-foot look of the Jordan 4 Retro Metallic Purple. They look okay on feet. You know, I'm not really a Jordan person, as you guys know, but I'm sure a lot of people will like these shoes, and I'm assuming they will go up in value. I just don't really know the market for Jordans, really. I'm more of a Yeezy and Adidas type of guy, you know. Yeah, overall, my experience, it was pretty good, and I probably won't really ever wear a Jordan because they're just so bulky, and I'm not really, like, the type of guy to wear a Jordan. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and like this video, and remember to go check out my sneaker giveaway in the link in the description. But as always, thank you guys for watching.